Yes, Chief.
Clean that device.
So you want to get started making music, but you don't have a lot of cash.
I got you.
Maybe you just want to start making music using only your computer.
I still got you.
Maybe you're wanting to make music and you don't have any money. You're in luck. You're in luck. You've came to the right place. You're in luck. Okay, so right now we're using the audio from the GoPro, and if you're following along at home, we're going to set it up piece by piece by piece by piece. We're going to do a factory reset on our computer and wipe it completely clean. Let's do that now. So let's start with a clean PC. It's going to give us, now yours might be different. Your screen could be different. Your icons could be different. It doesn't matter. This is, you will want to do this if you want to start off fresh and clean. Go to the bottom left and click on the Windows icon. Scroll up to Settings. Maximize that. Update and Security. Then next we want to scroll down to hit Recovery. Reset this PC. Get started. If you want your computer to be like it was when it was new, click Remove Everything. Next. Reset. So after you have wiped your PC clean, you should be to this screen. Now we have to get it set up in our language, our country, and all that good stuff. Get it set up on our Wi-Fi.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes, I do.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
I don't even know what that means. Skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Now we connect to the Wi-Fi. Connect.
Now type your credentials. Mission accomplished.
Mission
You're all
accomplished.
linked up. Now we have some important setup to do.
Now we have some important setup to do.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline.
Accept. Just a moment.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Okay.
Want to set up a PIN?
Of course.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them.
I just click Accept.
Based on the activities you choose here, you'll get a personalized experience as you set up your device.
We are looking for creativity, so I hit Accept.
We can work some magic so you can use your Android phone from your PC. Make calls, send text messages.
No, thank you. Just remind me later.
Your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Family.
No, thank you.
Should we get it ready for you to use?
Not interested. Not interested. No, thank you. Next.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best?
Not right now. Maybe later.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Okay, so after all of that, you should finally hit this screen, which is the Windows 10 home screen. So on this screen is where we're going to end part 1 of this series. This is the Windows 10 home screen. You have made it. Now we have to get this baby loaded up. So let's try that. See you in the next one.